guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and compliments of the season. Yes guys, if you are tuning in for the first time, my name is Ifeoluwa Adekunle. You can also call me the Alpha Glam. So guys, this is officially my first video for the year 2024 and I am super excited to be here. It will be the best way to usher ourselves into 2024 and I figured out that it will be my first love or our first love on this channel, which is makeup. So guys, I will show you how I achieve this beautiful radiant super look on my face. I want to believe all my sisters here, all my babes here, all my ladies here, they already know how to glam themselves up, and what you just need little tips and tricks on how to get a beautiful sophisticated look. I want to believe that. If you don't know how to glam yourself up, still watch this video, you will get a lot of tips on how to achieve a flawless bit. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if this is something you like to watch, kindly keep on watching. You're welcome back again. I'll be starting this makeup look with my Ghanaian micellar water. I'll be using that to clean all over my skin with a wipe, and then after I'll go into my Blossom makeup primer. I'll be using this all over my face. This is to make my skin soft, supple and ready to take in makeup. So I'll be using my fingers to apply it deep into my skin so that it can penetrate into my skin pores. Once I am done with this, I'll be going into my number 7 makeup primer. I'll be using a finger to also apply it and make sure it penetrates into my skin pores. So you can see as I'm trying to apply it and push it into my skin so that it can enter and mattify my skin. Once I am done with this, I'll be going into my Milani foundation. If you know me, you know how much I love Milani foundation, and I'll be mixing it with my NARS foundation. Then right now I'll be going into my Damn Beauty blender. That's the Cindy's beauty blender, and I'll be using that to apply the foundation mixture on my face. So guys, like I always emphasize, make sure you apply it on a particular part of your face first before going to the other side of your face. It makes it very easy for you to be able to apply your makeup flawlessly, and that is what I did. You can see that one side is perfectly blended. Now I'm going to the other side to apply the foundation so that everything can all sync together and it will turn out perfectly. Once I am done with this, I'm going into my concealer. That's the LA Girl concealer in Toast. I'm using that under my eyes. I'll use that on my forehead and also on my chin. So right now I'm applying it under my eyes here and the other side of my face, then on my forehead and my chin. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video, and as I'm talking, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. I don't know, my makeup videos have not been doing so well, but I hope this year it will pick up. So guys, let me know what you want to say as regards makeup. If there's a look you want me to achieve with makeup or a tutorial, probably you want me to teach you how to perfectly conceal your face, perfectly draw your brows, perfectly fix your lashes, kindly let me know. Now back to the tutorial. Right now I'll go into this Zaron blush in Negroni. I hope I got that pronunciation right, or Negroni, I don't know. So I applied it with my fingers first, then I'm using my beauty blender to blend it into my skin. So it is going right into the foundation, right into my skin. You want to make sure that you have a blush placement on your face first before going into your powder blush. Right now I'm going into my Norban concealer in number 2. I just figured out that it seems like my under eyes is not popping enough, so I decided to brighten it up with that Norban concealer, and that is what I am doing right here. So you can see that my under eyes look a little bit brighter than the way it was looking with just the LA Girl concealer. So right now I am trying to blend it in, and yes, I've gotten the perfect blend. So right here I'm unboxing my new Mirac setting powder. Yes, everybody have been raving about it, but I already felt like since I had Beauty by AD, why do I need to buy Mirac? But I just decided, oh, let me go for my girl, my Laifa Beauty. So yeah, this is me unboxing it, and it is in the shade Ginger. So right now, instead of using my Beauty by AD or Laura Mercier powder on my face, I'll start using Mirac, and I'm using this to set the concealer under my eyes. Ladies, there's a difference between setting and baking. So right now I am setting. You can set your under eyes with your normal powder, but right now I don't know, the glam has changed or the method has changed in 2024. We go into our setting powders to set under our eyes. If you want more details, drop it in the comment box so I can work on that. So right now I will setting my forehead. Everywhere I applied my concealer, that is where I am applying this setting powder. I'll be applying it on my chin too. And once I am done with this, I'll go into my Girls Night Out blush palette. This is by V Beauty, and I'll be applying it on the places where I apply the blush. God will save me from this mirror, because I don't know why this mirror is always blocking things I need to do. I think I need to get a mirror that stands on a table so I don't need to hold anymore. Right now I'll be going into my bronzer. That is the Muff bronzer in Prodigy. If you have been watching my tutorials, I'm sure you have seen that bronzer countless number of times, but it is actually the bronzer for dark girls. You will love it if you get it. So I'll be using this on my forehead. I'll be using this on the apple of my cheek, under beneath where I placed my blush, so that is where it falls. So it will just be like a subtle contour. And once I'm done with that, I'll be going into my Milani powder in deep. Guys, makeup has gotten expensive, but that Milani powder, was always buying this 4535 at some point, and now it is going to 15k. God save us. God save us in Nigeria, because at this point I am tired. So right now I am going into my eyeshadow. Yes, that's the star of the day. Yes, I'm going into my eyeshadow, and that is the Cocoa Urban eyeshadow palette. It's been a while I used this eyeshadow palette, guys, but I just figured out that it has just been lying down there doing nothing, so let me use it today. So yes, I mixed a brown and a wine together, and I'm putting that on my crease, the bridge of my nose, and my outer V of my eyes. If you want an eyeshadow tutorial, guys, let me know. In this 2024, we have to slay hard with our makeup. I have an eyeshadow tutorial on my channel, but it is like over 2 years. So if you want an updated eyeshadow tutorial, let me know. So once I have blended out the colors of my crease, my nose, and the size of my face, the size of my eyes, I'm using an eyeshadow that has shimmers on my eyelid. I don't want it to be too much, because this look is just for inside. I'm going to take it off once I am done with this makeup. So I'm using my finger to just apply the shimmers on my eyelid, just to make that place pop a bit. I don't just want it to be dull, and that is why I am doing this. Yes, guys. So once I am done with this, I'll be going into my black eyeshadow, and I'll just be putting that as the outer V of my eye, so you can see where my eyeshadow is and where I'm putting the black. One thing I always tell people is that don't go straight into black if you want to use a black eyeshadow. Just make sure there is a base and a bit of colors there before you apply black eyeshadow, so it is not so harsh on that place. And that is what I have done. Right now I went back into my Mirac setting powder to just place it under my eyes, so that all that fallout from the eyeshadow too can fall on it, and it can also give me that elevated V shape that I want on my eyes. Right now we are going into our brows, and I use the Orex brow tamer. That brow tamer is really nice. It stays matte, so I'm using that all over my eyebrows. And once I am done with this, I'll be using my setting powder to pat it so that it can be matte. Yes, you want it to be matte, guys. It actually gets matte when you are in an AC room, air conditioned room. The eyebrow tamer actually dries matte, but because it's where I am in, I had to make sure I mattify it myself. And now I'm going into my Davis pencil. That's the Davis pencil in number 303. I'll be using that to fill in my eyebrows. Guys, the trick for drawing eyebrows have changed, so I don't know if you want to be updated on the game. If you want to be updated, drop your comments, drop your requests, so that I can answer them. It is when I see the requests that I'll be motivated to create content. So let me know what you would like to learn. But these are just little tips on how to achieve your makeup in 2024. So now that I'm done filling my brows, I'm going into my concealer. But let me tell you a little secret, guys. It is not concealer I am using here. I am using my foundation. I know some of you will be surprised, but guys, in 2024 you don't want your brows and your concealer to be looking like 2 worlds apart. Yeah, you want it to be blended with your skin. You want your eyebrows to stand out, but not stand out in a funny way. So it just stands out, and the foundation will just make it look good. Not with your concealer that will not make it look bright and all. You don't want that. Nah, that is in 2023. Drop that in 2023. So now I'm dusting off the excess powder, using my brush to dust that off. Guys, if you are still enjoying this video, kindly subscribe and share. So still dusting, and once I am done dusting, I'll be going into my Polaris eyeliner. Guys, I've been reading about this eyeliner. It is black. I still have it on my eyes. Like 3 days after I've applied it, I still see signs of it. That is how dark and black it is. So if you are considering getting an eyeliner, get this, guys. You will totally enjoy it, and you can thank me later in the comment section. Yes, so right now I'm putting on my waterline, and I tight lined my eyes, and once I am done with this, I applied extra blush. I don't know, guys, I really went overboard with blush today, and that is because I was trying to test something. I was trying to see 2 different colors and see how it works on my skin, but thank God it still turned out nice. And once I am done applying blush, I'll be doing the whole setting of the face with my Kiss Beauty setting spray. So I spray it all over my face. And remember, guys, your setting spray is to make sure your makeup merges together. You want to make sure your concealer, your foundation, your powder, everything just comes together and give you that beautiful radiant look. Right now, I'm going into my Eye Magic lip stain palette, so I applied that color, and now I'm going into my favorite lip stains or lip glosses of the year. I know it was the lip gloss, my favorite lip gloss of last year. I think it's still going to be my favorite lip gloss for this year. That is the Ezekiel Nude lip gloss. So I'm applying the brown on the top of my lip and beneath my lip, that's under my lip. And once I am done applying this, I'll be applying the blonde at the center of my lips. So right now, this is what I am applying, and you can see it changed the color of the lips in a little way, but I like this effect that I brought out. So that is that, guys. And once I am done achieving the lips I want to achieve, I'll be going into my Sephora powder. I'll just be using that to brighten the under of my eyes just a bit. I don't want to go overboard with it. And once I am done, I'm going into my favorite mascara of all times. That is the Zaron Lengthening mascara. I'll be using that on my eyelashes so that they pop. I was actually considering applying false eyelashes here, but I just felt like, since it's a full look, first glam for the year 2024, let's go for it. So I applied my mascara first. You always want to apply your mascara first before applying your false lashes. That is to prep your lashes for the false eyelashes, and when you are joining it together, you will not see a demarcation between the false and the natural lashes. Now this is my Ezekiel glow kit. Yes, it is a glow kit I've been using for a while now, so I just applied a little bit. I don't want it to be too much on my face. And right now I'll be going into my false eyelashes, and I'll be applying it carefully. Guys, if you want a tutorial on how to apply your lashes, kindly drop your comments. So right now I'm applying it. You have to be very careful because I don't like applying lashes. Anybody that knows me knows that I hate applying lashes, but it is what it is. So right now I'm still trying to figure out the lashes because sometimes it takes time to apply on myself. But voila, this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoy this look. I hope you love it. Like, I look super different, and I'm sure it is the effect of the blush. So guys, listen to what I have to say.
So guys, we have come to the end of this look, and this is how I look super pretty. Like, and I like the way I styled my hair. This was my Christmas hair. I should have taken it off if not for some unforeseen circumstances that have not allowed me. But very soon I'll be taking it off. But before I take it off, I would really love to enjoy it again because I really love the hair. Yeah, so guys, this is the look I achieved. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you learned a thing or two. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to drop your comment, and lastly, don't forget to share. So I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.